So, hi guys! This is the barbecue kain. Ayan, tubig tayo ng barbecue. This is the dugo, blood of the chicken. This is the tongue, the dila. Ayan, dila. Dila. And this is then the dugo again. And this is the isaw, intestine. There's a tenga, the ears. Yan, and it's the barbecue, guys. This is the barbecue. Okay, and we're going to eat all of that. Iisin lang natin ang camera natin. Ayan, okay na ba? Okay na ba? Okay na ba ang ating pwesto?
Mama, mama!
I'm going to eat pa, guys. Oh, ano yun? Ano yun?
Si tita, niyagaw sa akin pa. Ayaw pa mo to.
Ayaw niya pa po. Hindi, ano yun, uban. Tanggal uban, diba? Ayan, guys. We're going to eat. We're going to eat. First natin yung dila. This is the tongue. Favorite ko to. Favorite ko. Kumakain din kasi yung jowa ko. Kumakain siya with rice. Ako, muna, itong barbecue. Kainin na natin itong dila. Perfect. This is the dila. That is my favorite. And next, the isaw. Perfect. We need to pour it in the vinegar. This is the juice. Perfect. I'm perfect. Okay, this one is tenga. Tenga.
Mama, ano na yung niwawa ko?
Adel.
Suwawa ko.
Regular. Hindi, doon pa ka doon. Wawa Adel.
Edgar.
Perfect.
Hindi ko kapalit. Sa taroin mo, sabihin mo, tumubo si Edgar. Tumubo si Adil. Ayan. Gusto ko kumain, no? Nagmamadali. Gutom yan. Gusto ko kumain. Perfect. Bilis. Perfect. Perfect. This is my favorite of all. Sarap talaga ng dugo nila. That's my dinner. And last one, the laman. Laman. Ano ito? Meron yan.
Ang tira kay Jowan.
Mm. Perfect. If you go here to the Philippines, everybody, just try the barbecue. Mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Shout out to LTC family. Thank you so much. Bye. I hope you enjoy my kain video for today's video.